welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and you're watching We Are Jainas. So today, as you have already guessed, we are again here back with an last mission video. I'm so sad about this. This is the last mission video and yes, I'm sad and excited about it. So today's mission topic is Me of Korea. So what exactly is Me of Korea? Me means literal translates to beauty, and I think apart from their actual beautiness, apart from the physical appearance, I feel the beauty of Korea is this. So I have bought a lot of stuff here. So I know it's not a makeup thing or not a skincare thing, it's a food, because I think beauty of Korea lies in their food, lies in their the type of cuisine, the type of actually the food they eat and they like. So I think as you already know, that I am literally in love with the food of Korea. So that is what beauty is for me. That is what Me of Korea is for me. So I'll show you. So I went to a small shop like a CVS, but very small, not like CVS, but kind of CVS store in Pune when I went out. So I went to Sila Mart. It's in Korea. Sorry, it's in. I'm so obsessed with Korea. Okay, it's in Pune. It's a small CVS store which sells Korean food products. So I bought a really like a large bag of it, and I want to show some of the products. So firstly, I would say I was starting to make a vlog out of it, but then there was written there that no videography or images are allowed inside the store. So yes, I could not take a video or a photo. So I'll show you my product which I bought. Okay, firstly let me just, because I cannot see. Okay. So first thing I bought is Jin ramen. Okay, I'm a big ramen fan. I like ramen. But this one I haven't tried. I know this is like a Jin ramen. Jin, BTS Jin, but I haven't tried. So yes, I wanted to try it. So this is Jin ramen. Then I bought tteokbokki. This is hot and spicy. So it's, you know what tteokbokki is, right? It's a rice cake. I love tteokbokki. It's so chewy and so nice. Yeah. Okay, and I bought this. Guys, so it's a shrimp flavored cracker. Like it's like a snack, and it's made in Korea. So it's a genuine Korean product, and I wanted to try this for a very long time, but here online it was not available. So yeah, I got my hands on this. I'm super excited. Okay, next is this. Okay, I exactly don't know what this is. So this is something known as something like cookies, like cream cookies, vanilla flavored. So I want really to try this. If you want, I can try it right now. Let's try this because I don't know what this is. Okay, so there are small like packets inside. I'm not an influencer, sorry. Oh, as I said, it's like a cookie, like a, yeah. It's a cookie. It's a cookie, but it's a really nice, tasty cookie. Sorry guys, I'll feed this to cameraman because she's also cooking. Okay. Next thing I have is my favorite. So okay, so this is my like daily Sunday meal, breakfast or evening snack. But then also if I'm seeing this Soon noodles, this Soon ramen, I have to pick this up because this is my absolute favorite. I love this. I'm giving it to you. Okay, let's go further. Okay, so I showed you that Jin ramen. I bought 3 of them. Like one I showed you. This is the second one. This is the third one. So as you can see, I'm obsessed with Jin. You know Jin, right? So yeah, Jin ramen it is. I know it will be good. That is the reason I bought 3. Okay, have you heard that song? I don't know what kind of song is that, but that's a funny song. I don't know if this is what that is, the song is all about, but then it looks similar to Tanguru. So it's like that, and it's super. I want to try this. So should I like just open it and try? Should we? Can we? Can we? It's like a toffee. Ah, cute. It's like a toffee. Oh, I'll try it later then. Otherwise, I won't be able to make a video. Okay. As I said, I love bulldog. So if I'm seeing it, I have to buy it. This is my favorite one, the chicken flavor. So as you have heard of that thing, carbonara? No. Lachi monara. Okay. If you know, if you know. If you know, you know. I mean. Okay. So almost the last product is Bibimbap. So it's like a ramen. It's a ramen. And this is, I have seen this, like people have tried this and I've seen the review. It's really nice, but this will be my first time trying this, so I'm very excited about it. Yeah, nice product. And yeah, thala khali, everything empty. So the last product is this. I just bought it. Like, I'm not a coffee fan, but then I've seen K-dramas. My sister is a coffee fan, by the way, and I've seen in K-dramas that literally they have, like, just stare at it. That is a very bad habit. But I wanted to try their coffee, so it's one is the Maxim and another is mine. Whatever. So yeah, I know I'm cute. So yeah, so I was really excited for this to show my product. No, not my product. To show the product I got from a mini CVS in India. So yeah, for me the beauty lies in the food, because I'm a really big foodie and I like eating food, trying new food, trying new cuisine also, and I'm in love with Korean food. So yeah, that is what I think me of Korea is for me. It's a food is the beauty for me. So yes, I hope you like my little I don't know. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope I have done justice exploring the meaning of me of Korea. So yes, let's meet you with the next part of the video. Till then everybody, please take care and bye.